Hi you guys, I got mail today. Yes I did, yes I did, yes I did. I believe this is the Redditgifts exchange for the Cozy Toes 2017 exchange. Let's get started. I went ahead and opened the top just to make this a little easier. And yes, as you can see, I see socks, fabric, yay! So let's see what we got here. I'm going to put a link below to Redditgifts for anyone who is not currently aware of Redditgifts' existence. Go check it out. It's a lot of fun. It's a great community. And yeah, first pair of socks. Ooh, very, very soft. Some cute brown socks with some really pretty baby blue dots. And ooh, very, very soft and very, very soft inside. These, I'm going to wear these today, I think. Oh yes, very, very cute. And then also, oh my, these are a pair of, let's see, Sock Dreams. Oh, these are the ones that go way up, and they are blue. It looks like blues and greens. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Legging socks is what those look like. Oh wow, you went above and beyond. Look at you, sending all kinds of goodies. Ooh, and another pair of the super soft ones in pink this time. With that, ooh, yummy, yummy, softy soft on the inside. And then another, oh, these are really cute. They're little sheep. So cute and oh, so super, super soft. Yeah, I'm going to wear one of these super soft pairs today. The sheep ones are adorable. And then, ooh, very, very cute. A leopard print. Also extremely, extremely soft. Soft, soft, soft. Thank you so very much, Secret Santa. I like all the socks you sent me. I am going to have some extremely cozy toes. Let me get all the socks here. Extremely cozy toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of socks, you guys. I hit the mother load. 5 pairs. Thank you so much, Secret Santa. I really like them, and like I said, I think I'm gonna wear these ones today because my feet are a little bit cold and these are super, super soft. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Check out the Reddit gift link that I'm gonna put below. See if it's something you want to participate in. It's a lot of fun, and yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.